Well, the day is finally here. Oil change day. Should be easy enough. I can already see the filter. Let's get the skid plate out of the way. Looks like it's just gonna be 14 mil. Ooh, that didn't take long. Whew. Look at all that room for activities. Whew. When doing an oil change, be sure to have the necessary supplies. Gloves, drain pan, funnel, oil of course, and brake clean. Brake clean's always good too. Keeps things nice and clean. Sprays off the oil really quickly. Yeah. For those of you wondering, the drain plug on this 2.8 Delica is 17 millimeters. Seems to go on nice and tight. Time to get it off. All right. Shop towels. Do not forget shop towels. Forgot about shop towels. Resorting to different options. Once it's done dripping, give the drain plug a little clean. Clean where you thread it on, and then pop it back in there. And then with the plug, you're not going to want to tighten it on too much. Go by the manufacturer's spec and torque it right. If you don't have a torque wrench, just get it on there and just snug it up. You don't have to go too tight. You will strip these out. There we go. So time to get the oil filter out. You're just gonna thread it off. Hopefully the previous owner put some oil on the seal when they put it on, so it's not rock hard on there. Oh shit. Other hand. Oh yeah, I might need 2 hands for this one. Oh yeah, no. Definitely gonna need a strap wrench. Okay, that one was a bit of a battle, but I finally got her. When the filter's off, it's important to make sure there's no O-ring left on here. If you double up the O-rings accidentally, you're gonna leak everywhere. So on a 2.8 Delica, the filter you need is a C-5808. Interchangeable with an ME088532 and a 245-1U343-1. Remember to run a small bead of oil around this seal here. So after you've primed the filter by putting some oil in it, greased the O-ring on the top, thread it on hand tight, and then a quarter turn past that, and it shouldn't be so much of a struggle to get off the next time. Get your filter and your oil. I'm using 1540 semi-sin. Oh yeah. And fill her up. All right, well that's one jug down. At this point, I'd put a liter in, check your oil, put a bit more in. The oil capacities online are kind of mixed, so be aware, just keep checking your oil. Once you've got the appropriate level, put the cap on, close the hood, and pull her off the ramp. Let it run for a little bit, turn it off, check your level again. Forgot to mention this in the video earlier, and what better time than when I'm in the hot tub relaxing after a long day. Oil capacities, again, it shows anywhere from 5.9 to 8 liters on the internet. Mine used almost 8 liters and it's showing nice and full now. So be wary of that, and again, check your levels. And aside from that, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.